Hey guys, today I'm here to do a Rolling Project 5 pan update. I know I did 2 intro videos, but I think I'm just going to combine them for the rest of the time because making 2 videos seems kind of not very productive after I thought about it. So I'm just going to make one update video, and just keep doing the update videos together, but still like have the separate categories. So first we're going to go through full-size products. So let's just get started. First we have my Buxom little palette situation. So the highlighter, like I said in the intro, I had repressed it so it was super, not packed in or anything. So I've basically used it up. I have a little bit left. Don't want to spill it out, but I have a little bit of that left, and then I have hit pan on the bronzer. I was just gonna initially hit pan on the highlighter, but when it hit pan so quickly because I had repressed it, I just thought I'd go ahead and use it up. If I'm gonna use the bronzer up, I want to be able to throw this package away. So I did hit pan on the bronzer, but I'm gonna try to use that up. So there is that. We have the Balm's Frat Boy blush. I have not hit pan yet. Still using it every day. So there's that slow going blush, but I'll get there eventually. Next thing is the Maybelline Warm Me Up lipstick. So here it is in the tube, how much I have left, and on a little card. Here's where I was at the intro, and there's where I'm at now. So I've made a little bit of progress. I thought I would have made a little bit more, but I didn't. So there's that. And then I did go ahead and use up the Beauty For Real eyeliner in Black Magic. It cannot roll up anymore. So use that up. And to replace that item, I'm going to be putting in the Buxom eyeliner from that palette in Call Me. So there's that. And on the paper, it is all the way up here. So there's that. So this will be a new eyeliner. Now on to the sample size products. First thing is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I was here and now I'm here. I'm surprised I made that much progress, but I've been using it all over my face as well as spraying my brushes to get the eyeshadow, to pick up the shimmery eyeshadow. So I've been using that for that as well. So this will definitely be done by the next update. Next thing is the Bite Beauty Pencil in Rhubarb. I felt like I'd use this a lot, but I had not made any progress on it. The line is still at the same exact point. So yeah. So on the little card, it was literally at the same line. So I didn't even make a mark or anything. Next thing is the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in Moonlight. I've made a little bit of progress here to there. I do use this all over my face, so I'm not just using it in the highlighting area. I'm using it all over my face under my foundation. So that's why I was able to use up that much. This is almost done because this thing, the little dropper, doesn't go that far down into the package, so I can't really get all of it out. So I'll probably have to replace that soon. I did use up one thing, the Laura Mercier Rose Gold Caviar Eye Stick. So there is that all rolled up. So I used that up. And to replace it, I'm going to replace it with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Skin Booster. It's like in a little dropper as well as the Cover FX. And you just put this on before your makeup. If I put it in this project, hopefully I can remember to use it because I've been trying to use it, but then I forget. So hopefully I can use that up. And then the last thing is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Marine Boosting Mist. I did not like this. It irritated my skin, so I'm getting rid of it. So that's going away. And I'm going to replace it with the Benefit What's Up highlighting stick. And it has that much left. And on the piece of paper, it is to that line. So that is it for this month's update. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.